Hi guys, this is 2012 Volkswagen EOS 155 6-speed auto. So this car had a problem with the check engine light is on. So you can off the car and ignition on. Start the car. You can see the check engine light is on. So we have to first scan the car and find what's the code. Okay guys, we found the code. We after scanning P2015. So intake manifold runner position, sensor switch circuit, range performance, bank 1. So this is stage we're going to replace for the intake manifold. So here the intake manifold, we need to replace this part. Here's the intake manifold. So it's underneath 13mm bolt. So here's the injectors. So we have to clean this one. Okay, we install everything to the manifold. Here's the injector. Okay, we halfway installed the manifold. Okay guys, we start the car. All good. Car is running fine. Check engine light is still there. We're going to erase the code. Okay guys, we rest the cord, checking this light is gone. So this is the problem with this cord we have to replace for the intake manifold. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you next one.